if I may add lang po, meron kasi akong feeling na yung yung I may be authoritative, pero I like the feeling that my woman can make me bend.
Why would you want a woman to make you bend? Why don't you just bend to your woman? I mean, di ba, if you love the person, you will naturally bend to your woman and adjust, di ba? And be flexible for that woman. Why would you want to see an extra power from a woman that will make you bend?
Because most of the time po, in my experience, when I give too much power to the woman that I love, I always end up getting hurt. So, meron ako ng mentality na parang it's a protection to myself. But that does not mean na I'm trying to put control.
And then don't be too hard on yourself. Just live.
Yeah.
Just relax. Diba? Just live. Let's just love. Let's just be together. Diba? Parang I adore you. Diba? Yung magbe-bend ako sa'yo wholeheartedly. I will bend naturally. Not because you made me bend, but I want to bend because I love you. Magkakaiba naman ng mga tao, ang mga babae. Baka yung mga nang ginawa sa'yo nung iba, wag mong ibigay dun sa mga future na pangungunahan mo.
May sabihin ka?
That's true. But so far, in my experience,
pare-pareho sila.
I've been treated the same. So,
at saka gusto ko, yung salitang authority, kailangan ba merong authority sa relationship? Hindi ba pwede kayong pantay? Kasi pag authority, di ba, the person has authority over the other.
Kasi po, when you give authority, you give the power to them for them to hurt you, hoping for them not to use it on you.
Alam mo, pero when you give someone the opportunity to love you, you're opening the possibility to be hurt by that person because mahal mo siya. Hindi ka pwedeng umasang, bibigyan kita ng pagkakataong mahalin ako, pero wala kang karapatang masaktan ako. No? Magkakambal sila. Pag minahal ka niya, masasaktan at masasaktan ka niya. Kasi hindi ka masasaktan ng taong hindi mo mahal.
Yes. Kaya po, siguro lang sa dami lang ng pagdaanan ko. May yung parang I'll give you the ladder, pero you need to help me too for you to cross my walls.
So nagtayo ka ng pader dahil sa parang trauma response na siya sa past relationships mo.
Yes.
Pero sa tingin mo, fair ba yun? Na parang yung mga nangyari sa'yo from your trauma, ina-apply mo sa mga relationship mo na dapat ba nag-heal ka muna on your own?
Hindi po yun agad. Kaya di ba sinasabi niya na nagsa-start yan sa sobrang ma-effort muna, may acts of service. Yeah. And then through time po kasi.
Hindi kaya nakakahon mo yung babae kapag nagkakaroon ka ng yung gusto mo, ikaw yung magdadala ng relasyon?
Hindi to that perspective eh.
Tsaka yung nasabi mong to protect myself in love, you cannot protect yourself from getting hurt.
Yes.
When you decide to love, part of it is accepting the fact that you will get hurt one way or the other. No one is ever safe from being hurt. Lahat ng nagmamahal masasaktan. Yeah. Kahit Diyos na yun nasaktan. You just have to accept and embrace that fact because that's part of being in love. And that hurt will add beauty to that kind of love that you will feel. So don't overprotect yourself from getting hurt because whatever you do, you will still get hurt. And that is a fact. Okay?